We will test how these two resins will behave. Flexible and rigid, light curable, on larger stickers, also because 82D, which we are testing now. This is the final version, which is already on sale. We start with the 55A version that is flexible. We have these larger stickers here. We'll see how it comes out. Relatively evenly. We have on the table, it is known production-wise that you have to nicely, perfectly level. Okay, no, and we cure. With this weakest flashlight we have, as you saw, is a couple of tens of seconds with such a thick sticker. See, dry to the touch. Well, and super flexible like a rubber band. Now we're going to check this final version, 82D, this stiff one. And we expose. And we have the hole bound. Remember that after exposure, here in this case about a minute too, you should wait a while so that it cools completely because it gets slightly warm. But here you can probably see the difference on one camera or the other. See here. This is how you can bend this rubber band. This is 55A and here 82DC. Hard to the touch with my fingernails, so normally I can't scratch it. Of course, it's not metal to be super rigid, but as the rigidity of the sticker itself, C is